back. Today I'm going to show you how to make condensed milk. For this recipe, I'm going to use powdered milk, granulated sugar, water, vanilla, and a pinch of salt. Pour the water in a pan. Then pour the sugar. Let it sit until it reaches the boiling point and stir it occasionally. Let it steam, and after 5 minutes, turn off the heat and let it cool down. After it's cooled down, pour the mixture in a blender and then add vanilla and salt. After it's been blending for a couple minutes, add the powdered milk.